to go.
So I'm not sure what kind of video this is gonna be, but me and Sarah are here. She flew out from Arizona to be with me.
I have sandwiches.
Sarah made a good point. Since I'm just starting out, spending a lot of money on tools is not the smartest idea. So that's why we came to Harbor Freight, so that we can see what's priced reasonably to start off my set. Like I told her, there's a lot of organization that needs to be done in my garage. Since I just moved, I don't have anything organized, but I do have a lot of tools that need to be separated, and maybe today or tomorrow we'll take a look at what we have in the garage, and I can show you pretty much what I need. They have this Black Friday special going on where anything in this bin is $1, $3 in that bin, and I believe it's $5 in that bin. And Sarah just pointed out these socket organizers that are for $1, and they're a cheap way to have your tools organized. Oof. This is what I'm talking about. This is nice. I wonder if I could open it. No, they're all locked. See, Sarah does a lot of work in her garage, so she needs something like this Icon series toolbox, which is massive. Me, on the other hand, I could go for something like this or something like this. I really like this 6-piece color combo wrench set. Like, it has this chrome one, red one, blue one, green one. It's pretty cute. I'm a sucker for colorful things. I don't know. The ones that I have are $1 a piece, and they're literally identical to this $22 set right here, and I'm about to buy 4 of them for $4. I'll probably pick up a few more. I think the only difference between this and the ones that I have is because it comes with this like metal plate back here. I found this dollar section here, but right now because of Black Friday they have these like metal magnet holder bars. I'm gonna pick up 2 of these as well because I'm gonna need these. This is nice. This is literally everything in my cart. We're gonna go check out because we gotta go. All right. Me and Sarah stopped at one of these gas stations. She always runs away in my videos.
Hello.
We're gonna go meet up with Rob Ferretti right now, and you can barely see me because it's in and out of focus. But we're gonna grab some gas and then we're out here. We're gonna be on our way soon, so let's go get this gas. We are going through the worst road right now. Oh my god. It's like letting go of a long fart. He has these paintings around his shop and I really like it. I really like this one because it's sort of like a heart tomato, and I like tomatoes, so yeah.
I took Liz's camera away from her. I don't know why I took Liz's camera, but I took her camera. What are you doing? Are you sticking your fist in that hole?
I'm trying to figure out if my fist can fit in the exhaust tip, and it clearly does. So I am indeed piping.
You what? The wheels are super pretty.
I'm gonna call it a blueberry SV because I like blueberries.
I like blueberries when they're in Quaker oatmeal.
I can't eat oatmeal, it makes me poop. What? Like a lot. Rob is just like, what? This is me trying to figure out how to open the door. Oh my god, I'm so poor. I think this is the 4th Lamborghini I've ever been in my entire life. And I don't feel worthy enough of being in here because I didn't even know how to open the door. What do you think, Sarah?
The start-stop button looks like something from Iron Man.
Yeah, look at it.
Like, it's like an Iron Man switch.
I definitely said that the center console looks like an alien ship, like a rocket ship kind of thing.
It does.
It, oh, that was a burp. I burped in a Lamborghini. Oh my god.
Probably just decreased its value.
I did. My fucking toxins. This guy has this Starliner. Look at that.
It looks good. It looks really good.
That looks so good. I'm all by myself because I don't have a jacket to actually wear to go outside and help Rob and Sarah. Oh my god, look at all this smoke. How cold is it out there?
Fuck.
He has a stuck fuel injector, and that's why all this smoke is happening on the truck. Like, it smells so bad. This is nice.
That 3 jumper or lights.
So it's getting late and my battery is dying. I'm with Rob and Sarah and we're probably gonna chill for a little bit longer. So I will see you guys tomorrow because we're gonna do the Mishimoto radiator install, and can't wait to show you guys what I get done with that. So I'll see you guys, bye. So it's day 2, me and Sarah are in Home Depot.
Hello.
We're gonna be looking at some tools because unfortunately I don't have everything that I need to do the radiator install yet. So we're gonna figure this out and check out some stuff that we might need for the garage. Right now we're looking at boards to kind of like figure out a way that we can make a ramp for my garage to get the car up, and Sarah's recording on her iPhone.
I didn't want to bring my camera in here, I felt weird.
But yeah, she was talking about these plywood boards, well, pieces of wood. She was talking about these 2 pieces of wood that we should buy 2 of these and double them up so that they're extra strong, but one board is like $4, so together it'd be 8, and we just have to buy 4 of them. So that's kind of a cheap option to kind of make a ramp up onto my garage for now. They also sell these very long ones, but I don't think I'm gonna need this much of length. At first we were gonna buy bags of concrete to pour on top of the existing concrete that's creating that dip in front of my house, but Sarah made a point that when it rains, that water that's being collected is pretty much making sure that the garage doesn't get flooded. So we gotta pretty much figure out a system where we could put like piping in so that the water has a way of escaping so that it doesn't go inside my garage and flood the garage, which would be pretty shitty because I have a lot of stuff in there. You get on it?
Oh wait, I'm the heaviest, so maybe I should be in the middle.
Oh my god.
Break it on.
It's gonna crack.
No, we got this.
We should definitely get off and buy it.
Alright,
So 4 of these?
4.
Okay.
Can I get the Bellow hardware associate to Key Center, please? Hardware to Key Center.
Imagine that's us.
How much are those?
I don't know.
$10.
No, these.
Originally we were gonna go in there and find some sort of like metal bracket to put over that dip that I have, but we instead bought these wood planks that we're gonna use instead. They were like $10 a piece, so this was like $20 to buy. We're gonna see if it works and pray for us. I don't know. Where are you going? Fuck. It is cold as shit.
Cheap ass soldering iron and some rosin core solder.
Okay, and I picked up some fuses and some butt connectors.
Connect some butts.
I know that I'm gonna be changing my steering wheel very soon to the Street Arrow carbon fiber one, but look at this cover. It looks like a little chinchilla. That is so cute. We could match. What do you think? No? Okay. We could match? I got one for the MR2 and I get one for the FRS. Next time. It's so soft. Oh my god.
I'm good on my side.
Good. Tiny bit, tiny bit. Good, 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 good.
Okay, straighten out. Come on. Come on.
You're solid on my side.
You got it. Come forward.
Go forward.
Go forward.
Oh wait, her side skirt. Yeah, back off. Alright, move your foot, move your foot, move your foot. Move your foot. You're in. Hold on, hold on.
Don't turn it yet.
Keep going straight. Go straight.
You need to keep going straight.
You're good, you're not gonna hit this. Keep going straight. Keep going straight, you're almost in. You're good. You good, you good. You got a car in the garage.
Yo,
Your car's in the garage.
this is such an accomplishment.
Your car's in the garage.
Sarah is going to check all the wiring inside my car because there is a really big issue with some of the fuses that I have going on, especially with my headlights and taillights. Oh, it sparked.
It did?
Yeah.
Alright, so wait, is it on there? You have a 0.3 amp draw right now and the car is not on or anything. So something is drawing 0.2 amps right now. How long ago did you replace your battery?
Not so long ago, like maybe 5 months.
Was that before the headlights?
That was before the headlights, yeah.
All right, now it's dropping down. You got a 0.1 amp draw. Is it nice and tight?
Yeah.
Okay, so you got a 0.1 amp draw. The car is 100% off. Is there any lights on right now at all? Is there anything on? Because you should have no draw.
Okay, pretty much what Sarah was doing was disconnecting anything that wasn't OEM to the car. So she disconnected my bags, she disconnected my tail lights and my headlights, and we ended up testing with the multimeter this vampire wire that I have inside of my car. And after she disconnected that vampire wire, it completely dropped. So that was the main source so far of why we had so much amp happening.
I think the rest is a security light that blinks.
Yeah, because there's only like 5.5, no, yes.
0.05 of an amp.
0.05 of an amp, which you can't see it right now, but...
And you have a light on the dash that blinks for security. Well, it's gonna spike and then I'll drop.
It's gonna drop, so...
So you gotta wait for the dome circuit to go out.
I'm so embarrassed to even say it. So we figured out the issue. It was the license plate wires that were bare and they were touching, and they blew everything from my airbag system to the taillights and the headlights, and it just created this whole entire thing of nonsense. And thanks to Sarah, I was able to find it. And yeah, look at them.
These two guys right here. I cut the exposed copper. We need to wrap these up with electrical tape. But these guys were arcing out. They're all black and charred because they're touching together.
I don't know much about electrical things, so it's kind of my fault, because I remember when I got into the accident, I was supposed to replace the license plate lights, and I never did that because I completely forgot about it. Not that I wanted to do this on purpose, it's just that it's just something that flew out of my mind, and Sarah caught it, so thank you.
You have absolutely no training on this stuff, so you would not have known. I mean, you're not gonna know this stuff unless you went to school for it or someone taught you, so it's not like it's your fault at all.
Yeah, but guys, it's getting pretty late, and I want to take Sarah out to the I want to take Sarah out to the city, and she's pretty much freezing in here, and so am I. So this is gonna be the end of the video. Thank you for coming, dude.
You're welcome.
I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.